Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily cancel an order you've placed on Aliexpress even after you've made payment for the product. So take for example, you placed an order for a product and you've decided that you don't need the product again and you like to cancel the order. Or take for example, you made a mistake buying a different product instead of the one you wanted to buy. So if this is something you want to do, I'm going to show you exactly how you can cancel any order you've placed on Aliexpress even when you've made payments for the order. So what you want to do is you want to go over to Aliexpress, log into your account, and once you are logged into your Aliexpress account, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on your account. Then once you click on your account, the order section is going to pop up. As you can see here, we have my orders, my coin, message center, payments, wish list, and likes. So what you want to do here is you want to click on my orders. So when you click on my orders, it's going to bring out the list of all orders you've placed on Aliexpress. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to come over to the most recent order you've placed, or probably the one you want to cancel. So what you want to do is you want to click on the order, then look for order details. So as you can see here, this is order details. So what you want to do is you want to click on this order details, and when you click on order details, it's going to bring out the details of the product you purchased. So what you want to do here is to cancel the order. As you can see, there are several things you can actually do. If you want to edit the address for the order, you can also do that here. If you want to extend the delivery date, you can do that here. And if you want to download the invoice for the product, you can also do that here. But what we want to do in our case is to cancel the order. So what you want to do now is to come over here, then click on cancel order. So after you've clicked on cancel order, it's going to prompt you to choose a reason for the refund. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on this drop down menu here, then select the reason why you want a refund or reason why you want to cancel the order. So the first one says the seller is unable to ship my order by the selected shipping method. The seller did not respond to my question. I do not need this order anymore. The seller raised the price of this order. Product is out of stock. So all you want to do, just select the one that is most appropriate for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select I do not need this order anymore. Then after that, all you simply need to do is click on submit here. And when you click on submit, the order is going to be cancelled. So after that, just click on confirm so you can confirm the cancellation of the order. So I'm going to click on confirm here. So as you can see, the order has just been cancelled. So this is it. It says your order has been cancelled successfully. Select refund information to check the details of your refund. So this is basically how you can cancel your product order on Aliexpress. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.